You won't believe how plants really grow. Okay, let's get real for a second. Plants are way cooler than they let on. Seriously, you might have a houseplant chilling in the corner, but behind those green leaves, there's a miracle happening every single day. So let's peel back the curtain on the secret life of plants and see how they grow. First up, photosynthesis. Yeah, you've heard the term, but do you know what's actually going on? Plants are like tiny solar-powered factories. They grab sunlight using their leaves. They suck up water from their roots and pull in carbon dioxide from the air. Then, boom, they cook up their own food, making sugar and oxygen. And get this, the oxygen you're breathing right now, thank a plant. But the story doesn't stop there. Plants aren't just passive green blobs. They're actually busy, strategic, and shockingly responsive. For example, have you ever noticed how sunflowers turn their heads to follow the sun across the sky? That's called heliotropism. It's like they have a built-in GPS for sunlight. And speaking of moving, did you know some plants can feel when they're touched? There's a little guy called the Mimosa pudica, or touch-me-not. Tap its leaves and they'll fold up, almost like the plant is shy. It's a defense move, freaking out predators or just showing off, who knows? But wait, it gets even wilder. Plants actually talk to each other, not with words, obviously, but with chemicals. When a caterpillar starts munching on a leaf, that plant releases signals into the air. Nearby plants pick up the message and get ready, pumping out bitter chemicals to warn off hungry bugs. It's like a secret plant internet. Now let's talk roots. You might think roots just sit there, but they're explorers. They sniff out water and nutrients, growing around obstacles, even helping their neighbors by sharing resources through underground fungal networks called mycorrhizae. Yeah, plants have friends, and sometimes they're fungi. And don't even get me started on how plants sense the seasons. They measure daylight with molecules in their cells, timing when to flower or drop their leaves. That's why trees burst into bloom every spring, right on cue. So next time you see a plant, remember, you're looking at an organism that's listening, learning, and adapting every single moment. They might not walk or talk, but trust me, plants are living way more exciting lives than you ever imagined. All right, now you know the secret life of plants. If you thought they were just background scenery, think again. Give your houseplant a nod of respect. It's working harder than you think.